Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to unblock someone in Proton mail on Proton website. So to get started with a quick and step-by-step guide, so the first thing to do is to log into your Proton mail. So to do this, you have to go to mail.proton.me, then sign into your account using your email and password. Then after that, you have to go to the settings. So to go to the settings, you have to click on the gear icon in the top right corner, then select settings from the drop down. Then after that, in the left sidebar, click on filters under the mail settings and look for the filters that blocks the person. So for example, a filter that moves their emails to spam or trash. Then after that, you have to fully unblock. So click on the trash can icon next to the filters to delete it or edit it. So click the pencil icon to exchange the sender's address or the action taken. Then after that, you have to click on save if editing or confirm deletion if removing the filter. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thanks.